Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, whatever it is, everybody. This is a quick little tutorial to show you, or to give you some tips on how to know that your students are following along with your lesson. And so there's that, and also note taking and how you might be able to follow up on that with your students all together in one. So the question that teachers have is, how do I know that when I'm online teaching that my students are actually there? So one idea is to ask them to take notes while you are explaining something, or while other students are asking questions. So here's how you would do that and how you would check on that. So first of all, you ask them to take notes. So I'm using some instruction from a teacher here, and I'm muting the audio so that we can see what's happening. And I'm going to take some notes. So here's a video of me taking notes while she's explaining. And then at the end, I'm going to take a photo of those notes, because one thing that you should do then is ask students to take a photo and send that photo to you. And here's the easy way to do it, combined with a formative assessment task. I'm in my Google Drive. Step one is to create a folder. I'm going to call it Notes. That will appear in my Google Drive, somewhere down at the letter N. I'm going to open that up, and within that folder I'm going to create a form up in here. Boom. And then I'll click on the title of the form and it will be automatically done. I don't want a question as the first one, I want a file upload. Files will be uploaded to the form owner's Google Drive. Interesting. Okay, and the question will be, please upload a picture of your maybe handwritten notes. You can leave everything as it is, and done. Now, if you want to do an exit ticket as well, you can ask a question, you know, how does the size of Jupiter compare to Mars? So that's a higher level Bloom's. You could just how big is Jupiter, but that's going to be an easy one. How does it compare is a trickier question. Short answer. Done. And you could put as many as you want there, and that's it. Now you've got a way for students to upload their notes. You would then just click on the send, click on the link icon, shorten the URL and copy that link, and then you would just simply paste that into the chat section of your online session tool that you're using, whether it's Google Meet or Zoom. Paste that in, they open it up, they take a photo of their notes, upload it into there, and they click submit. So let's have a look at how that looks like from their perspective. So the form looks like this. So they click on add file, they select the file from their device, whatever it's called, they find it, it gets up, we click upload, it goes chug-a-lug-a-lug, there it is. Then they answer it, it is bigger, and they could click submit. And then it's done. You could lock it down so they can't submit another one. So where does that go then? Right, well, let's have a look. You'll notice that because I created that folder called Notes, and we put the notes form in that folder, It's also created a folder that then has the question and the note in it. And it's automatically put my name on the image. I didn't rename the image, it's already put that there. So then you can just click on it once, you don't even have to open it, and click the eyeball. And then if there were others that students had submitted, I can see the name over here, I can see the notes, and there would be an arrow to go to the next image. You can just flick through, boop, 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 see them all, and you're done. Then that gives you a good idea of how they've gone in how they've been taking notes. Also, if you flip back, you could pop this form open and you could see their responses as well. Click on response and you would be able to see the answers from all the students here in there. So that's just a really simple way of creating a form that allows them to upload their notes. And that's it. And we've covered, what have we covered? We have covered, it's this. Knowing that students are on task, ensuring students take notes, and how to build a form to collect notes. And there it is.